Hello again, good friends. Welcome back to the channel. Brian from Apex Detail here. Today, we are going to go over some exciting new products from Turtle Wax. First of all, I would really like to extend my appreciation to the host of this event from the Auto Car Club in Arizona. I'll let you enjoy some of these beauties before we get into the thick of things as we come across a great friend, John from Forensics Detailing, Jimbo Balam, Phil Miranda. We also have Wax Mode, Pan the Organizer. We also have the Car Cleaning Guru and Darren from Auto Fetish Details. I know I left some out, but we were surrounded by a ton of incredible professionals. Although I can never get enough of the car porn myself, it's time to get to the meat of the video, and that is the exciting new line from Turtle Wax. The ceramic polish and wax, the ceramic wash and wax, the ceramic spray coating, the ceramic 3-in-1 detailer, and the ceramic wet wax. And I'm sure by now you have gathered there is a common theme amongst these products, and yes, that's SiO2, a nice generous infusion of SiO2 in each one of these products. First of all, we have 26 ounces of the ceramic wet wax. This is a quick way to do a one-step that will give you amazing shine and protection. Its ceramic infused polymers deliver instant water repelling properties and chemical resistance and protection. The ceramic polish and wax, I cannot wait to get my hands on permanently, has some very unique abrasives. Next up, we have the ceramic spray coating. So practically seal and shine on steroids and HGH. 16 ounces delivers insane shine, the water beading and chemical resistance you would expect. However, up to 12 months of protection. An easy to use formula. Next one is the incredible 3-in-1 detailer, and this I would just put under the category for now as a waterless cleaning product, and I will go over all of these in great detail, guys. Just be patient. Here we have 48 ounces of a ceramic wash and wax. Can be used to reinvigorate a coated car. Can be used to wash and clean and protect a car that has no protection whatsoever. Since I captured some footage from the Turtle Wax staff themselves giving a quick overview, I will share that with you. Start with the ceramic 3-in-1 detailer. Another common thing you'll be able to see is all of these can be used in extreme heat, which there's plenty of that here, and also direct sunlight, and can be used on all surfaces. The Car Cleaning Guru here giving it a spin. Plenty of cleaning power and a ton of lubrication to cut down on the love marks and swirling, and leaves behind durable protection. Next up, this ceramic wash and wax is a great way to kill a few birds with one stone, laying down protection or reinvigorating or rejuvenating existing protection or coating, all in one step. The intriguing ceramic wet wax can be used on a freshly washed car while it's still wet. It can be used on dry surfaces as well. I will explore all the avenues with this product.
It's boosted up. It's got that unbelievable durability that you'd expect from having ceramic sort of coatings. Super quick and easy to use. Let's go and test it out. I can show you how it works. As I said, it works on glass. Down the paintwork a little bit.
This can be used on absolutely everything. Painted surfaces, windows, the trim on the Jeep here, keep it nice and rich and protected. Chrome, aluminum, every substrate except for carpeting, really, upholstery.
Even on plastics.
This one here is amongst one of my favorite, and I can't wait to show you how it can be used and also to start beating up on it and showing you its toughness, its durability, its chemical resistance. He has half the hood coated here and sprayed a wheel cleaner on to show its durability and chemical resistance. Wait till I get my hands on it. Here he'll do another application demonstration and show you another 50-50. The next one here I will be reaching for quite a bit, and I'll show you a ton of ways to utilize it as well.
Hybrid Solution ceramic polish and wax. What this is a all-in-one type of product. It actually has the same level of abrasives or the same strength of abrasives you'd find in a professional rubbing compound, or probably more of a medium polish or compound. The difference is we're using platelets. We're using platelet aluminum oxide. What does that mean? Instead of being round rocks that gouge into the paint, they're flat platelets that slide and glide over the finish. So it's a slow cut, but it's a precise cut. And when our clear coat's only being about 1.5 mils to 2 mils thick, we want to go after the scratches, and we don't want to go further than we have to. If you use a cutting pad, you're going to get more of the platelets to cut the finish and to remove the swirl marks, and less of the wax is going to get onto the finish. After you get all the scratches off, you may want to use a medium pad. I like the white or blue from Lake Country.
A wealth of knowledge right there. A pleasure meeting and talking to him, and can't wait to connect with him again. But he mentioned, again, only 1.5 mils to 2 mils of clear coat being applied to modern cars here. So you can apply it and use it by hand. You can also use it with a machine here. I love the cordless flex that we're using at the moment. Beautiful machine. I have yet to review that. I'll get to that at some point. Very impressive open time or cycle time, no dusting whatsoever, and the most important, what you're looking at here, can be done in extreme heat and direct sunlight. Indirect sunlight, work it as long as you'd want. Just spritz a little bit of water on there if you please, and that'll help the removal process. That's going to do it for this quick overview, but stay tuned for much, much more when it comes to this lineup as it gets released the first week of November. I really want to thank the Turtle Wax staff. They are incredible. If you are liking the content from the channel, please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That will let you know when we have fresh content.